Turn up to this one, Worcester Bosch 30SI, it's 18 years old. Customer can't get a full hot bath out of it, it does nothing but bang and crash. The old heat exchanger split. Didn't want to stretch the budget to a new boiler, so we're just going to repair this one. 13mm nut at the top, we're going to get that removed off. Then we're going to take that little support clamp off, and then we're going to put the nut back on. This means we can take the fan out with one hand. It's all about making life easy. So once that's back on, not too tight, hold that underneath the fan and just pull it forward towards you, and then it twists out, but then obviously it gets stuck on the fan pressure switch. Brilliant. Wow, was that the time? Fancy starting a job like this at that time. Way past home time, but anyway, let's go on with it. Once you've wrestled with that, it's time to get the heat exchanger out, so pop a crowbar underneath after you've took the support bracket off the heat exchanger, and then that gives it something to prise against. Stops you bending the case as well, so just pop that there, pull it forward and it'll pop out. And then get that out and launch it on the garden, and then you're going to look for all the O-rings that you need to change, and washers, and anything else. This doesn't look like it's ever been taken apart, to be honest. It's got the old gas tube on it, so we'll put the new one on, that's better. Also change the electrodes and the fan membrane as well, put all that back together. Oh, and the flow elbow. It's only meant to be a quick video, it's not a step-by-step or anything. Oh, the dog's checking in. Yeah, we're good to go. Now we've got the hydraulics to change, so the flow adapter's broke, shock. So we'll get the plate out. Even with pipes at the back, you can get it out this way. The reason I took the return manifold out was to change the PRV easily. That air vent's had it as well, so launch that in the garden, give that a clean out, put it all back together. Don't forget to check the expansion vessel, because obviously that'd be full of water, why not? Green light means go. Got the bath running. Customer's been waiting for a hot bath for ages. See that heat exchanger split there? We've got the flow adapter, we got electrodes, we got diverter valve motor, we got washers, we got sensor, we got flow elbow, PRV, auto air vent, pump, if I haven't already said pump. Basically rebuilt the boiler, to be fair, on a new plate. But that's another one done. Happy days.